What if reality is hiding answers even science cannot reach? These are 10 mysteries that remain unsolved.
Number 10. European eels begin one of nature's greatest migrations, yet their final reproductive journey remains largely unseen. Before leaving freshwater, their bodies transform, turning silver, enlarging their eyes, and preparing for life in the deep ocean.
They cross thousands of miles toward the Sargasso Sea, guided through an ocean with no visible roads or landmarks.
Scientists suspect magnetic fields, temperature, and ocean currents guide them, but no single mechanism explains the entire migration. Tracking devices confirmed that adult eels can reach the Sargasso region, solving part of their extraordinary route. Yet their mating, egg-laying, and final moments have never been completely witnessed in the wild. The mystery survives. Number 9. Witnesses have reported glowing spheres drifting through storms, but science still cannot agree on what creates them. Unlike ordinary lightning, these glowing objects are reported to float, change direction, and remain visible for several seconds.
One rare spectrum revealed elements commonly found in soil, suggesting lightning may ignite vaporized material from the ground.
One theory suggests lightning vaporizes silicon-rich soil, creating burning particles that briefly form a glowing sphere.
Other researchers propose trapped microwave energy or self-contained plasma, but laboratory versions cannot reproduce every reported behavior.
All lightning may not be one phenomenon at all, but several rare events sharing the same mysterious name. Number 8. A centuries-old manuscript contains hundreds of pages written in a language no one can reliably decipher. Testing places its parchment in the early 15th century, confirming the book is genuinely old, not a modern fabrication. Its botanical pages depict unfamiliar plants, some appearing to combine roots, flowers, and leaves from different species.
Other pages contain stars, zodiac charts, strange plumbing.
The writing follows statistical patterns resembling language, yet its alphabet and vocabulary match no confirmed system.
Countless people claim to have solved it, but no translation consistently explains the entire manuscript under independent testing. Number 7. In 1977, a radio telescope detected a powerful signal from space that appeared only once.
For 72 seconds, the signal grew stronger, reached a peak, and faded exactly as a distant source should. The famous code was not an alien sentence. It recorded how intensely the telescope received the mysterious radio burst.
It appeared near a frequency linked to hydrogen, making the signal especially interesting to astronomers searching the cosmos.
Astronomers repeatedly searched the same region, but the signal never returned strongly enough to be independently confirmed.
It may have been natural, artificial, or earthly interference. Without a repeat detection, the truth remains unreachable.
Number 6. Distant galaxies release radio flashes so powerful that telescopes detect them for only milliseconds.
In less than a heartbeat, some bursts release extraordinary radio energy, then vanish before telescopes can fully react. As each burst crosses space, intergalactic material delays its frequencies, revealing clues about the matter between galaxies. In 2020, a Milky Way magnetar produced an FRB-like flash, proving these extreme stars can create such signals. Magnetars explain some bursts, but their varied locations suggest the universe may be producing them in more than one way. Number 5. Every morning, awareness returns, but science still cannot fully explain how the brain creates conscious experience.
Light, sound, touch, and memory arrive through separate pathways, yet the mind experiences one continuous world.
Scientists can measure which brain regions respond, but activity alone does not explain why seeing red feels like anything. Much of the brain works outside awareness. The mystery is why certain information suddenly enters the conscious mind.
Leading theories explain parts of awareness differently, yet experiments continue to challenge the strongest claims of each.
The brain can study its own activity, yet the origin of the inner observer, the feeling of being you, remains unresolved. Number 4. Sometime on early Earth, ordinary chemistry crossed an invisible boundary and became the first form of life. Early Earth contained water, carbon, minerals, and energy. But ingredients alone do not explain how living systems appeared.
Experiments can create life's building blocks, but no experiment has reproduced the complete journey from chemistry to biology.
One leading idea proposes that RNA once stored information and performed chemical reactions before DNA and proteins existed. Simple fatty molecules can form protective bubbles, creating compartments that resemble the outer membranes of primitive cells.
Science can recreate individual steps, but no conferred pathway connects them into the first evolving living system.
Number 3. The early universe should have created matter and antimatter equally, yet almost everything today is made of matter.
When matter meets its antimatter counterpart, both can disappear, converting their mass into pure energy.
A tiny excess, perhaps one matter particle per billion pairs, survived and eventually became every galaxy, planet, and living body. Experiments reveal subtle differences in how matter and antimatter decay, a phenomenon known as CP violation.
But the known differences are far too weak to explain why matter dominates the observable universe today.
The missing explanation may involve neutrinos, unknown particles, or physical laws operating beyond the standard model. Number 2. Galaxies move as though surrounded by enormous amounts of invisible matter that no telescope can directly see. Stars near galactic edges move faster than visible matter should allow, yet the galaxies remain held together. Galaxy clusters bend background light so strongly that most of their gravitational mass must be invisible. Scientists can map dark matter through gravity, but mapping its influence does not reveal what it actually is. Deep underground, sensitive detectors wait for dark matter particles, but no experiment has identified one conclusively. Dark matter may be an undiscovered particle, or evidence that gravity itself is not yet fully understood. Number 1. The universe is not merely expanding. Its expansion appears to be accelerating, and no one knows exactly why.
Distant supernovae appeared farther away than expected, revealing that cosmic expansion has accelerated over time.
Scientists call the cause dark energy, but the name describes the mystery rather than explaining its true nature. Scientists measure expansion using nearby stars and ancient cosmic radiation, two precise methods tracing different eras of history. The methods should agree, yet their answers remain separated, suggesting hidden errors or physics we have not discovered.
Science has transformed the impossible into knowledge. Yet these mysteries remind us how much discovery still lies ahead.